Hey there, Tech Fam. Remember when we used to wonder just how much smarter a smartphone could actually get? Well, Google just dropped the mic. Today, we're diving into the most hyped device of 2026, the Google Pixel 11 Pro. The leaks are out, the renders are looking sharp, and trust me, this isn't just a phone anymore. Google is basically putting an AI supercomputer right in your pocket. Design and display. First impressions, it's a head-turner. Google has officially evolved that iconic camera visor. For the Pixel 11 Pro, it's been completely redesigned to be sleeker, melting seamlessly into the frame for a more premium, unified look. But the real magic is on the front. We're looking at a 6.7-inch Super Actua Display 2.0. For the first time in Pixel history, we're getting a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And brightness, it hits a staggering 3500 nits peak. Whether you're under the blazing Texas sun or in a dark room, this screen is going to look absolutely flawless. Camera and computational photography. Now, let's talk about the department where Pixel consistently wears the crown. The Pixel 11 Pro is packing a killer triple camera setup this year. It starts with a 50-megapixel main sensor, designed to pull detail out of the shadows, making low-light shots look like they were taken in broad daylight. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, so your landscape shots stay crisp from corner to corner without any distortion. The real heavy hitter is the 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, bringing the action close without losing a single pixel of quality. But the real game changer is Video Boost 2.0. It now runs entirely on device, meaning no more waiting for the cloud to render your clips. Your 4K footage processes instantly into cinematic gold right then and there. The powerhouse, Tensor G6 and Agentic AI, under the hood beats the heart of the beast, the Google Tensor G6 chipset. This is Google's first chip built on a 2nm process. What does that mean for you? Less heat, massive power efficiency, and a battery that actually keeps up. But Google isn't just chasing benchmark scores, they're winning the intelligence race. The Pixel 11 Pro introduces Agentic AI. This isn't just a voice assistant, it's a digital partner. It can read your emails, book your flights, and prep your daily schedule before you even ask. Plus, shipping with Android 17 and a massive 7-year update guarantee, this phone will stay fresh until 2033. Battery and charging. Finally, we've all had our gripes with Pixel charging speeds in the past, but Google finally listened. The 11 Pro features a beefy 5100 mAh battery, and drumroll, please, 45-watt fast wired charging. It's the upgrade we've been waiting for. Price, launch and the verdict. So, how much is this going to set you back? Expect the price to start at $999 in the US. The bottom line, if you're a hardcore competitive gamer, there might be other options. But if you want the smartest AI on the planet, the best-in-class camera, and the cleanest software experience imaginable, the Google Pixel 11 Pro is the one to wait for. What do you think? Are you joining the Pixel crew, or are you still Team iPhone or Samsung? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Catch you in the next one.